Good morning, students. I welcome you all in my English class. Today, we are going to study chapter 4 from your book, and that is Why Do Bees Buzz? Yes, in this chapter, we are going to know about why. What's the reason of bees buzzing? Let's find out. First of all, we will discuss about the words and meanings. Buzz. Buzz means sound made by the bees. Code word. Code word means secret word. Beat. Beat means to move. Sprout. Sprout means start to grow. Lively means energetic. Queering means shaking. Bumpy. Uneven. Let's talk about the difficult words now. Hum. A low continuous sound is known as hum. Segmented. Segmented means having different parts. Pollinators, animals or things that help in pollination is called pollinators. Godfathers. Godfathers means people who help in developing something. Now, before you read, have you ever tried to listen carefully to the sound around us? The writer is asking in this chapter, have you ever tried to listen the outsider sound? When we feel that everything is quiet, whenever everything is quiet, when you are just in when it's not noisy, it's very silent, then you can hear the sounds of animals, the sounds of insects, the sounds of birds around us, especially when we are near a tree or a garden. The poet is talking about that when you can hear the sound of animals, you can hear the sound of animals when you are near a tree or you are near a garden. Different animals, insects or birds make different kind of sounds and for different reasons. Here the again writer is discussing that different kind of animals, different kind of insects and different kind of birds make different kind of sounds, and there is also a reason behind their sound. Okay, let's find out the reason behind the sound of bees. So now let's read the story to know more about one such sound. इस कहानी को पढ़ते हैं ये जानने के लिए कि आखिर बज साउंड के पीछे क्या रीज़न होता है. ओके, बज. Hey, what's all that buzz about? What's all that buzz about? We are going to read about buzz. It's a code word. What is buzz? Buzz is a secret word. It's a secret word used by bees to call their friends. Bees used this secret word whenever they want to call their friends. जब bees को अपने दोस्तों को बुलाना होता है तो वो code word means secret word का use करते हैं. Or hum of excitement when honey is spotted. And they also make a low continuous sound whenever they spot honey. In an excitement, they create a low continuous sound. Bees, particularly bumblebees, make a loud buzzing sound as they fly. Here, the writer is talking about a special kind of bees, that is bumblebees. It's also known as uneven bees, and it also this uneven bees create a loud buzzing sound. You know, it create noisy sound as they fly. Whenever that bumblebees fly, they just create very noisy sound. The sound is made when the wings beat up and down. I had already discussed you what's the meaning of beat. Beat means to move. Means ये sound तब निकलती है जब वो अपने wings को ऊपर नीचे करते हैं, right? The sound is made. This sound is made when the wings move up and down. The smaller the wings, the faster the bees have to beat them in order to fly. The smaller the wings, उनके पंख जितने छोटे होते हैं, the faster the bees have to beat them. बीज को उसे उतनी ही तेज़ी से मूव करना होता है इन ऑर्डर टू फ्लाई. हवा में उड़ने के लिए उन्हें they have to move faster, and when they move faster it creates a buzz sound, and the quicker they beat, the louder they buzz. Because of they want to fly and they have to move their wings faster, that's why they create a noisy sound when they fly. Bees also buzz to do something very useful, and bees also buzz. Bees इसलिए भी buzzing sound create करते हैं because they do something very useful. And what is that useful thing? Let's find out. They carry pollen from one flower to other like postmen delivering letters. As you had seen, that postman delivers letter from home to home, from house to house, same as this bees, they carry pollen from one flower to another flower. What is pollen? Now let's find out. Pollen is the powdery grain on flowers. पोलन जो होता है वो एक पाउडरी ग्रेन होता है जो कि फ्लावर्स के ऊपर होता है. Pollen helps plants to make seeds. Pollen helps plants to create seeds. Bees are excellent pollinators. Bees are excellent pollinators. Why they are called pollinators? Because they help in create pollen, right? Thanks to them, many of new plants grow and sprout all around. We should thankful to the bees. Why? Because they help the new plants to grow. How do those tiny grains of pollen stick to the bees' feet? How do those tiny grains, means those tiny grains, those pollen, how do that stick on pollen bees? वो pollen के feet पे कैसे stick करते हैं? Let's find out. When bees sit on a flower to suck honey, bees love nectar and they get nectar from the flower. जब वो फ्लावर से नेक्टर को सक करने के लिए उसके ऊपर बैठते हैं, द ग्रेन्स ऑफ पोलन स्टिक टू दियर फीट एंड बॉडीज़. जो ग्रेन्स होते हैं, जो पाउडरी ग्रेन्स होते हैं, दैट स्टिक ऑन दियर फीट एंड बॉडीज़, वो उनके पैरों और उनके बॉडी पे चिपक जाती है. Then when the same bees buzz near a flower, and when the same bees which carries the pollen of grains of pollen, when it is near a flower and when it perform a dance, the quirring means shaking, shakes the pollen of the other flowers. जो उनकी बॉडी पे pollen होते हैं वो सारे उस flower के ऊपर गिर जाते हैं. The bees then fly to other flowers, and after this, then bees again continue it again fly to other flowers, where they leave the pollen behind to pick up new ones, and this process continues. और जहाँ पर पहले उन्होंने जिस फ्लावर पे pollen गिरा दिया है, it helps them to create a new plant, and now they just again move on. Bees are buzzing godfathers of many new plants, and bees are the buzzing godfathers. Godfathers means anything which helps in developing something new. जो किसी भी चीज़ को develop करने में help करे, that is called godfathers. That's why bees are also called godfathers, because they help in sprout new flower, right, of many plants that grow away from the parent tree. Because you all know that whenever they sit on the any flower, the pollen on that flower stuck on them, and whenever they dance to another flower, it just you can see shakes off all the pollens there, and it helps to grow a new plant there. So now it's over. Can you hear your own breathe? Again, I'm to next para. Can you hear your own breathe? Here the writer or author is asking, can you hear your own breathe? क्या आप अपनी सांसों को खुद गिन सकते हैं या सुन सकते हैं? Usually not. Usually we can't hear our own breathe. But hear a bee breathing. But you can hear लेकिन आप सुन सकते हैं अ बी ब्रीदिंग, आप बी को, मधुमक्खी को सांस लेते हुए सुन सकते हैं. हाउ? That is because the bees is also the sound of bee breathing. You know, buzzing is also a sound of bee breathing. जो bees buzz करते हैं वो उनकी bee breathing का भी part होता है. It has a small segmented body, so when it breathes, it has a small means इनकी body पे segmented means different parts होते हैं इनकी body में, जिसकी वजह से जब ये सांस लेते हैं द एयर गेट्स ऑन अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड थ्रू ऑल दीज बम्पी पार्ट्स इनसाइड एंड क्रिएट्स अ बज. जो एयर होता है वो उनकी बॉडी में उस पार्ट्स के थ्रू चला जाता है, थ्रू ऑल दोज बम्पी मीन्स थ्रू ऑल दोज जो अनइवन उनकी बॉडी में पार्ट्स होते हैं उसके थ्रू वो अंदर चला जाता है एंड इट क्रिएट्स अ बज साउंड. एंड दैट्स वाई यू कैन लिसन अ बी ब्रीदिंग. Sounds pretty exciting, you know, it's very exciting that you are knowing about bee breathing, about bee sounds, doesn't it? Aren't those busy bees truly amazing? Don't you think that they are truly amazing? Okay, now let's find out some more about author. This chapter, you can say this lesson is written by Nabnita Deshmukh. Nabnita Deshmukh is an Indian writer who had written many rhymes and short stories specially for children. Her works have been published in various children's magazines. You know, her work is also published in many children's magazines like Chandamama, Bal Bihar, Children's World. Okay, so let's find out about the true and false of the chapter. Here is the comprehension. Bees make a buzzing sound when they carry pollen. Okay. Here the first question is bees make a buzzing sound. Bees creates a buzzing sound when they carry pollen. जब वो pollen ले जाते हैं तो क्या वो buzzing sound create करते हैं? The answer is yes. Second one is pollen helps plants to make seed. Pollen जो होते हैं वो प्लांट को सीड बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं. यस. Pollen stick to the wings of the bees when they suck pollen from flowers. Here the question is pollen जो होते हैं वो उनके पैरों में या उनके wings में चिपक जाते हैं bees के. When they suck, जब वो suck करते हैं pollen. No, they don't suck pollen, they suck nectar from the flowers. वो nectar suck करते हैं, not pollen. Pollen वो suck नहीं करते. Pollen is a greenery pollen is a powdery grain जो उनकी body पे चिपक जाता है. It's not कि वो pollen suck करते. No, they suck nectar from the flowers. So it's false statement. The next statement is bees breathing through the segmented body. Yes, we have already discussed that bees have many many parts in their body, and through that the air just gets in and out. And yes, it's true. Bees are harmful to us? No, they are very very useful to nature because वो pollen को one place से दूसरे place पर carry करते हैं. It also helps to create a new plant. That's why they are very useful to us. So the statement is wrong. The smaller the wings, the slower the bees have to beat them in order to fly. Here the statement is कि जितने छोटे उनके पंख होते हैं उतनी ही ज़्यादा उनको उड़ने के लिए, उतनी ही कम उनको उड़ने के लिए बीट करना पड़ता है. इट्स रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड अबाउट दैट बम्पी बीज. दे हैव टू जस्ट they have smaller wings and they have to faster move their wings in order to fly. So thank you so much.